Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS Speaking with Ashish. My name is Ashish Bhardwaj and I am an IELTS trainer. In this video, I am going to teach a strategy by which students will be able to form story of any cue card. Yes, any cue card can be answered with this strategy. Moreover, the story which they are going to form is with the knowledge they already have. So they need not to learn anything new. Now let's jump into the strategy. On this page, I have mentioned 6 key factors which, in my opinion, every student knows. The first is technology. This is an era of science and technology. Almost everyone knows about smartphones and other electronic gadgets like laptops. Second is camera. Camera is also a very common thing nowadays. Every person who owns a smartphone knows about camera. Third is the social media. A person must be living under a rock if he or she doesn't have any idea about social media. The fourth is a fictional character. Let's call this fictional character our elder brother who lives in Canada and has already got PR there. And the fifth is a random person who has knowledge of all the topics. While speaking, if students find themselves stuck, name an imaginary person who has knowledge about that topic. Let us call that random person Ashish Bhardwaj. And the last is a famous person. Everyone has liking towards some individuals who are famous. So we are going to have one famous person, and let us call this famous person Diljit Dosanjh. Now, according to me, these things are enough to answer any cue card. So let us find out how these things will go together and form an answer to a cue card. This is our question, and the question is talk about your favorite curtain. The sub questions are which curtain it is, when and where did you see it, and why it is your favorite. To make this answer more easy, I have divided the answer into steps. So let us check it out. The first step is finding the keyword. Finding the keyword is very important because it gives students a head start and also a topic to start. Okay, so the keyword in this topic is curtains. Now step 2. The step 2 is 3 to 4 lines of introduction on the keyword. As starting is the most difficult part for many students. Moreover, as the students have to speak on a topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Therefore, if we give a short intro on the keyword, it covers the valuable time. And here we can say curtains are essential part of housing and almost every household have them. Moreover, it adds beauty to the drawing room. Here I would like to talk about my favorite curtains, and the curtains are blind. So I hope step 2 is clear. Now let's move to step 3. Step 3, we have to call our brother. Last year on my 20th birthday, my elder brother who lives in Canada came to India after 4 years. We have called our brother. Now move to step 4. Step 4 is calling a famous person. As a birthday gift, he fixed a meeting with Arijit Singh, who is a very famous Bollywood singer and also my role model and inspiration. So step 4 is also over. Now need step 5. For step 5, we need to call a random person. When I came to know that I am going to meet my idol, I was ecstatic and I asked my brother that how he was able to set up the meeting. Then he told me that his best friend Ashish Bhardwaj, who is a random person, is a music director and currently he is working with Arijit for his next album. Hence, with his help, he was able to fix the meeting. So I hope step 5 is also clear. Now let's just move to step 6. Now again, step 6, have call a famous person. The meeting was fixed in Arijit's office, and when we reached the Arijit office on time, unfortunately, Arijit was not available at the moment. Therefore, in order to pass my time, I started exploring the office, and while looking here and there, I noticed gold curtains. This is our main question. Curtains. This was the first time I saw gold curtains, and then I inquired about it. Then receptionist told me that these are gold blinds and are made with golden layers and are specially custom made by an Italian designer only for Arijit Singh. Moreover, these curtains were controlled by a remote. I think step 6 is also clear. Now let's move to step 7. Now we have to use the camera. As this was the first time I saw gold curtains, I clicked many pictures of it and I was very happy. Now move to step 8, and the step 8 is we have to upload pictures on social media, which we click with our camera. Later I uploaded all those pictures on social media and it got hundreds of likes. Although I did not meet Arijit on that day, but I was happy that I got to check out gold curtains, hence they become my favorite curtain. So with this strategy, whole cue card is over, and this storytelling strategy is applicable for any cue card. Yes, any cue card. Just mention the cue card in the comment section and I'll make the story with a similar strategy. Lastly, I have written a book using this strategy. The link of the book I have put in the description. And if you want to have free speaking session with me, all you need to do is to buy the ebook or paperback on the Amazon, and just send the order details on my Facebook or Instagram page, and I'll provide you one-on-one speaking session. Suppose you did not like this session, you can cancel the order and Amazon will refund you 100%. That's it. Thank you so much. And if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.